You have heard that 2,000 colleges abandoned SAT or ACT requirements. That means 75% of USA colleges abandoned SAT or ACT. And this news made many college applicants happy, because they think they have a better shot at good college. At least, that is what many potential students think. But, not so fast, my friend. Things are not so simple. SAT and ACT exams are still important, and here is why. Test-blind schools abandon SAT and ACT for good now. But test-optional colleges still take SAT or ACT into consideration. That means that by opting out of SAT or ACT, you will limit your college choices. Test-blind colleges will have a higher number of applicants. And that means you still need a better profile to apply and get admitted to those colleges. A good SAT or ACT score still opens many options. Many good colleges, which still consider ACT or SAT in their internal college admission process. Many colleges still may award scholarships and other financial aid helps students to pay for college based on SAT and ACT scores. Besides, colleges may reduce your tuition cost if you have a good SAT or ACT score. These are still valid reasons to study hard for SAT or ACT and take it to obtain a good score. More so, some colleges decided to bring SAT or ACT back into the college admission application process. One of them is MIT, and some other colleges too. Although not mandatory, SAT or ACT scores are still considered by 80% of colleges in their college admission application process. The point to remember is as follows. SAT or ACT exams are still considered by colleges in the admission and financial aid allocation process. And you should prepare for SAT or ACT well and receive a good SAT or ACT score to have a better shot at a good college and at better financial aid help from college. See links in this video description below for good SAT or ACT prep resources. Good luck, and see you in the next video.